Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Espresso machine. Now this machine came back to us because the grinder needed to be replaced. Unfortunately, we went inside the machine, calibrated the new grinder to this machine, and then we were testing it and doing a lot of coffee. As you can see from here, let me see if I can get you a flashlight. There you go. You can see the grounds over there. Already tested out and did a couple of one container full of these, and then we will do a couple more just to double check that everything was grinding correctly. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this machine, and then we're gonna be using the hot water and the steam. Like I said, we've been testing quite a lot this machine as we replaced the grinder, and we had to calibrate it and dial in with the machine to make sure that it was delivering the right amount of coffee. There you go, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Good color as well. 1.5 ounces with a little bit of crema, 2 ounces. That is good level of for an espresso shot. We do not have that much crema because we are using our test coffee. We just keep it like this. We are also using one of the courses setting of the grinder, so you would like to get a little bit more crema and a much stronger flavor. You can just push down over here in this yellow tab that is inside the grinder, and then twist to the finer setting of the machine. You twist a little bit as the grinder is working. So for example, we will do the adjustment as it's grinding over here. You can use a little magnet. There you go. Perfect. Any magnet or anything right next to here will automatically tweak the machine, and then you'll be able to adjust the grinder itself, or you can just adjust it just like that. Just do very little increments. But like I said, the machine has been grinding perfectly fine with this setting, and we've been having good results. I'm gonna stop it right here. Perfect. So that way we can test the steamer. Again, you can see the packs, nice and compact, looking great. No excess of water, anything like that. They're pretty dry. Now we're going to be testing the hot water of this machine. The thermal block that is located right here needs to get up to temperature so we can see a bit, so we can get this machine deliver a bit of water. Once it gets up to temperature, water pump pushes water through the two-way valve over here and then out to the one. And as you can see, we have a nice steady stream coming out of the machine, looking great. Excellent temperature. Great stream of hot water. Now we're going to test the steam function of this machine. The thermal block needs to get even hotter, but once it does that, the water pump will start pulsing water through the machine, through the thermal block, out into this two-way valve right here, and then throughout the steamer one. Now it's gonna shoot a little bit like psh, because we just did a bit of water, exactly like that. But once it purges itself, we're gonna have that gentle stream coming out of the machine, as you see right here. Working perfectly fine. We're missing the adapter that goes in here, so parallel steamer one. But even so, we don't have that. We can still see the steam pressure coming out of this machine, and as you can see, it's excellent, working perfectly fine. Burning my hand right here, working great. So there you have it, Saeco working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.